So let's imagine you get a job as a security engineer in an organization. How would you start? How are you going to go about it? What are the steps to strengthen the security controls in that environment? So basically, there are some criteria, there are some frameworks, best practices available. And the one I'm going to show you now is step-by-step high-level details. So let me share what I'm talking about. What I'm showing you right now here on the screen. So these are CIS Control. Center of Internet Security, version 8, and these are 18 areas. What I'm telling you, these are minimum 18 jobs. For each and every area, I can tell you there are 3 jobs at least, more or less. So if you are specialized in one area, there are at least 2 or 3 jobs, one more of operation, one more of assurance, one more of consultant advisor, like inventory of control of enterprise asset is a whole different topic itself. Then audit log management, this is where we have logging and monitoring. Vulnerability management is there, network monitoring, penetration testing, which is the red team. You see, so this is all covered. This is what we call a CIS 18. Very famous, very known. If you have not aware of that, start looking into that. So, and it is comprises of this IG1, IG2, and IG3, which is implementation groups. 1, 2, and 3. So best practice is that first time if you're ever doing it, to start with IG1. So do some baseline and set it up first for general security or AWS, Azure, GCP, regardless, whichever it is. And then once that is done and mature, then go to the level 2, which is IG2, and finally IG3. So if you look at here, for IG1, I think there are 53 controls you will have to implement. I believe somewhere it's written, and IG2, there are additional more. And altogether, there are 153 or 163. So IG1 has 56 cyber defense safeguards. And altogether, there are 117 something. So let me check here. And these are, if I click one of each, you'll find more details in each of them. And here is more detail. And you may want to go to the Center of Internet Security website and start looking on this, watch those videos. However, as I said before, in this control, all the way, then you'll find some details, and it gives you like IG1. So there are 0 control in penetration testing for IG1. So it's not an IG1 kind of control. So, but it has 3 control from IG2 and 5 out of 5. So 7 or 8 controls together. So that's how it's going to get you the idea. But if you go for inventory here, 2 controls in IG1, 2 out of 5, you know, they are covering the controls to covered in this IG1. So this is how you want to start if you are more of hands-on and you need to introduce and implement those controls. And they have a lot of resources available on their website. And also you can find a specific CIS benchmark, basically, specifically for each and every cloud environment, which if I get a chance, I will cover, let me know in the comments. So this is a great resource for you to go and learn, whether you're a security architect, engineer, whichever the role. And even you want to jump within your career from network engineer, system engineer to one of these. So this is really helpful. Go take a look and let me know how do you find it, what's your experience, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.